Welcome everybody. Today on Pressure Crisp, we're going to be doing a complete meal in your Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to be doing chicken thighs, roasted potatoes, and asparagus. They don't go in all at the same time, but I'm going to show you how you can gauge the times. And once you gain enough experience with making single items, and it seems like that's what I've been doing on these videos, I'm making a single item. Well, now I'm going to start combining items so we can make complete meals in the Ninja Foodi as well as the Ninja Foodi Grill. So this is our meal right here. We have 2 chicken thighs that have been cleaned of fat and excess skin. We also have some asparagus, and we have these cute little, I love these potatoes by the way. These are Yukon Gold potatoes. Terrific, terrific, terrific. They roast nice, they mash nice. It's just an all-around great potato. But I always go off in tangents. We have asparagus. This has been cleaned and trimmed. And I am just going to, you're going to need a stainless steel bowl. I'm just going to put them right in there for now. We're going to go ahead and take care of these potatoes. But I want to make sure these cook in a reasonable amount of time. So I'm chopping them into pieces like that, probably like 1 inch by 1 inch. So we're going to take these potatoes, just going to drop them into a stainless steel bowl. To these potatoes, you're going to add an oil of your choice. I'm just using a little bit of olive oil. Also putting in some black pepper. Maybe like 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. Salt. Now I'm making rosemary potatoes tonight. So I'm using dried. I don't have any fresh in the house. Just use what you have. That's maybe like 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary and 1 shake of thyme. Now I usually just do this all by eye, and we're just going to coat these potatoes in this oil and in this seasoning. Those potatoes are set. I am going to just start off with salt and pepper for right now. But I think I'm going to use a little bit of that slap ya mama. So we'll just do a light coating of pepper. Put some salt because we want that crust. Season generously with the salt. I want that skin nice and crispy. I'm going to use these tongs so I don't dirty my hands. We're going to flip these guys over. Do the same on the underneath side. Just a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. There we go. Flip them over. Oh yeah, and I have an extra piece of skin too. And I know it doesn't pair well with the rosemary potatoes, but I'm going to use some slap ya mama seasoning. And that's all we're doing to this chicken. Now you can preheat or not to preheat. A lot of times I don't preheat, especially when I forget, or if I'm in a hurry, I just don't preheat. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to take this chicken, I'm going to place it right into the air crisper basket. Chicken can go on that side. Leave a little bit of space around the chicken because we want that brown. And then we're just going to take those potatoes, just going to put those right in there. Just like that. Now you're going to, oops, forgot a potato. You're going to think the asparagus won't fit, but I'll show you what we're going to do at the end. We're going to go ahead and lower the lid. Now you can go ahead and use a meat thermometer if you want. I've made chicken thighs before, so I know they're going to be done in around 20 or 25 minutes. The Foodi Grill is on. You're going to select air crisp. We're going to choose, 375, and we're just going to hit start. Now this is going to preheat, but to skip over this preheat so you can keep track of your minutes, just hit air crisp, open the lid, and shut it really quick. Defaults to 20 minutes. I'm going to up this to 30. So it's been cooking for almost 10 minutes. So I just want to get in here. There's that chicken skin that I cooked up. Let that cook longer. We're just going to move these potatoes around just a bit. I'm going to go ahead and flip these chicken thighs because I like brownage on all sides. Perfect. This is looking fabulous. Go ahead and close the lid. There's some extra oil left in this pan. I'm just using the same pan that I had the potatoes in. I'm going to see if there's enough extra oil just to coat this asparagus. And I think actually there is. Now, if there wasn't enough oil in here, all you would do is add olive oil, avocado oil to it. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. And just give it a toss. And what we're going to do, we're just going to put this right into the Ninja Foodi Grill pan right now. So everything is coming along nicely. These potatoes, I tasted one. Sorry, guys. I just wanted to test for doneness. The chicken thighs look amazing, by the way. Oh, there's that piece of chicken skin. Let me take that out. I am going to do a quick temp on the chicken. Okay, we're almost done there. What I'm going to do is just pour the asparagus right on top of everything. Use your tongs and just spread it around a bit. Now this asparagus is going to cook very, very quickly. Go ahead and lower the lid. And just so you guys know, we still have 9 minutes and 31 seconds on the clock. And those potatoes are done. So they cooked in like 15 minutes. I think some of the bigger ones will be able to benefit from the few extra minutes that we're going to be cooking the asparagus, as well as the chicken. The chicken needs 2 or 3 more minutes and it's done. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Look at that. Complete meal in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Now these vegetables are going to be al dente. They're going to have a little bit of crunch left to them. That's the way I like it. All right, and I know this chicken's done, so I'm going to take out the chicken. Let me take this stuff out, and then we're going to do that taste test. Taste test time. I want you to see this. Look how beautiful this is. You have potatoes, you have asparagus, and chicken thighs. One pot meal in the Ninja Foodi Grill. I shouldn't say one pot meal, but it's a one air crisp basket meal. Right here. Look at that. Gorgeous. I think I'm just going to... Oh! And there's that chicken skin. Look at that. Gorgeous. We're going to try this first. So freaking good. This is so good. Delicious. I should do a whole episode on chicken skins. I probably shouldn't use my fingers, but let's use a fork here. Here's a potato. The rosemary is so good on these potatoes. It just makes it shine. Now for the asparagus, even though I've already eaten some. Asparagus is al dente. I enjoy it that way. I really, really do. And last but not least, the chicken. Hold on. Chicken. Super good. You have a little bit of spice from the Slap Ya Mama. Slap Ya Mama or something like that. But this is wonderful. You can have dinner on the table in less than, hold on, I can't do math. You can have dinner on table in less than probably 30 minutes. Because the chicken thighs, I took nothing to trim them up. 45 minutes top, because you have to wash the asparagus and wash the potatoes and cut them. But I mean, really, 45 minutes and you can have this. So much better than takeout, people. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit that notifications button. And I appreciate all my viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Yum, yum.